Hey guys, today in this video we are going to learn on how to check for old followers on Instagram. And all we have to do is to launch our Instagram application. And from here we are going to tap on our profiles, and then we're going to tap on a post. We're going to tap on the people that have liked that post. And then from there, as you can see, we can actually see a old follower, and this can be brought if the follower had followed us in the past, and let's say either we didn't follow him back, or the follower did not like some of our posts, or didn't like some of the text. Maybe you've been texting them and they didn't like some words, so maybe they unfollowed us and they haven't decided to follow us back. So let's say in the case that you would like to check for old followers on Instagram when you have a ton of followers, and let's say you want to filter back, what we have to do is to go back. Then we're going to tap on the three lines there at our profile, and then we're going to tap on account center. From there, we are going to navigate your information and permissions. Then we are going to tap on download information. From there, we're going to tap on download or transfer. We're going to choose the accounts and profiles. We're going to tap on next. From there, we're going to choose some of your information. From here, we are going to scroll down until we see the connection options, and we are going to select friends and followers. From there, we're going to tap on next, and then we are going to make sure that we have chosen download to device. Once we have already chosen the option to download to device, we're going to tap on next, and it is going to download itself on our device, in which when we head on back to download your information here at current activity, as you can see, I have already downloaded that type of an information. And once we tap on download and unzip this file, we are going to be able to see the old followers on Instagram. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.